In other words, the glory of God has departed. The sound of your amen. Nothing around you will be called a carbon. Your health will not be called a carbon. Your children will not be called a carbon. Your finance will not be called a carbon. It will not be called a carbon. And dry bones came back to life. The sound of your amen. And because of the hand of the Lord upon your life, I announce every dry bone. We announce, go back to life. I come in the name of the Lord. Say right now, we are ashamed. We are so pain. We are so setback. We are so evil around. Say right now, good news. Erupt. Let's pray for you. Let me hear yourself fire. So the good news. Richard Sepulchre. Where is the place where you had repeated failure, repeated disappointment, repeated shame, repeated evil report? Richard Sepulchre. I announce, let there be an outburst of good news. Let there be an outburst of good news. Let there be an outburst of good news. Right now. Somebody hear me as I hear the Lord. I don't care what they fired against you. But if your amen will thunder, we return every arrow to their sender. Lift up your right hand, shall reverse by fire. I didn't hear you screaming, thunder, reverse by fire. Can you thunder, reverse by fire? Whatever you hear me say, I want you to scream it, reverse by fire. Arrow of memory loss. Arrow of delay. Arrow of lack of celebration. Arrow of rising and falling. Arrow of family sieges. Arrow of not moving forward. Arrow of witchcraft attack. Arrow of autism. Somebody say arrow. Acha. Fire.
Thank you, God, for all you've done and the grace that flows on.